Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Thursday morning. It is the 18th day of April, and I'm glad you're here this morning. We have much to talk about as we get ready for this severe weather situation across the area this evening and tonight, perhaps beginning as early as later on this afternoon in the western counties, then spreading on eastward in the overnight hours. We've had a lot of severe weather this year, and you can usually read my level of concern, and my level of concern this time is pretty high. Because of the meteorological setup and because of the fact that it's going to be happening at night, obviously this is a tornado situation. All right, so information will change during the daytime hours today, but this is what we know in the pre-dawn hours as I make this. Here we go. Here's the setup at 1 o'clock today with the low-pressure area in northwestern Arkansas, putting all of the Gulf states in the warm air sector, and that's critical as the low continues moving eastward. And now the Storm Prediction Center has that level 3 enhanced risk covering places like Tuscaloosa, all of the river region, including Montgomery, Troy, Greenville, all the way down to Dothan, and all the way down to the Gulf Coast. That's where the greatest threat of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes will be this evening and tonight. 7 p.m., it's critical that that low-pressure area is located south of Memphis. In severe weather situations like that, the placement of the low is important, and there it is, just north of Muscle Shoals at 1 o'clock in the morning, with the front trailing southward through West Alabama at that hour. So we look at one possible setup from one model showing that thunderstorms develop out ahead of the main line in western Alabama late this afternoon and early this evening, and some of those could start to rotate. Then here's the main line now, coming into West Alabama at 10 p.m. Still some supercell thunderstorms perhaps out ahead of it, and at 1 o'clock in the morning, the activity moves through the center of the state and down into south central Alabama as well, moving on eastward. 3 o'clock in the morning, a lot of the activity starts moving into eastern Alabama and down in through southeastern Alabama and eventually into the Wiregrass, and then by 5 o'clock in the morning, almost out of the state, into Georgia. Don't take those times literally. That's one model. This is another model showing, this is through 7 p.m. tonight, showing considerable development out ahead of the main line into western Alabama, and that's going to have to be watched. It shows the line on the Alabama-Mississippi border at 7 p.m. So we'll call for late afternoon thunderstorms into tonight. 100% chance, some severe, of course, with a high temperature today up to about 82. Tonight's low 58. 7 in the morning, the front is on the Alabama-Georgia border and moving on eastward. So the activity will be ending in Alabama, and the severe weather threat shifts eastward into Georgia and along the southeastern coast where it could be a big severe weather day. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's breezy, cool in Alabama. Temperatures only in the low 60s and maybe some leftover showers as well. Feels more like fall. Saturday morning, we start off in the mid-40s and end up in the upper 60s for a high. The sun is out, though, and Easter Sunday is near perfection. Just really nice with lots of sunshine after a cool start. We're up near 80 degrees for a high temperature, and the low on Easter Sunday night will be 53. I've got this, well, by the way, sunrise at 6:09 in the morning. I think temperatures will be in the upper 40s. Here's Monday. I think it's going to be a nice day. In fact, we'll have several nice days in a row. So, some leftover showers on Friday, a breezy, cool day with a high of 62, down to the mid-40s on Saturday morning, and kind of a cool day Saturday compared to normal with upper 60s. We're near 80 on Sunday after that chilly start at 45. And then Monday in the low 80s, and then into the mid-80s on Tuesday. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. Kind of cool, breezy, and not a fun beach day on Friday with a 50% chance of showers. Up to about 70 on Saturday after a cool start, and Sunday's high around 74. Gulf water temperature now at 72. Your weather radio is going to be very important tonight. Like a smoke alarm, it could wake you up tonight and save your life. Make sure it's in the alert mode. Also, our weather app will alert you instantly for watches and warnings wherever you are because it knows where you are. It'll also give you an audio cue. It has advanced interactive radar. Plus, you'll be able to take a look at our live stream when you go to your safe place tonight. If you are under a warning, you'll be able to see our broadcast live on in the palm of your hand. One more late arriving map I wanted to show you. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has some guesses on timing here. You see they have that Clanton, Selma, Prattville area in the 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. Time window, and they place Montgomery and on southeastward from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Notice also they take the enhanced risk area and they expand it about 50 to 60 miles north. It includes Clanton on this map. All right, so here's the deal. Obviously, we'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking weather on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 a.m. this morning. And this evening and tonight, I will be live in the Blue Water Weather Center. And you probably know the scenario because of other severe weather situations. I will be live streaming. I will be posting on social media as I can. At times, we'll be interrupting with critical warnings across the dial on the 8 Blue Water radio station group. At times, I'll be contributing on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32 with Shane and the meteorologist at Alabama News Network. And I'm only one person, so I'll do the best I can. When I'm broadcasting, I will not be posting on social media. You follow me? Stay weather aware. I know you will. And I'll see you later, okay?
Rich Thomas Weather.